Hi, it's a pleasure to greet you. I am Ivan Jaime, and this presentation we will review the difference between traditional learning and e-learning. Classroom discussions. Learning. The teacher speaks more than the student. E-learning. The student speaks the same or more than the teacher. Learning process. Learning. Learning is a group class. There is almost no individual study. E-learning. Learning and its process is developed in groups or individually. Subject matter. Learning. The teacher directs the learning by following the program of study and the curriculum. E-learning. The student participates in determined topic. The study is based on various sources of information, including web, databanks, and networks located by students. Emphasis in the learning process. Learning. Students learn what? Take care of completing the required subject quota and do not use education in research or problem solving. Performance tasks set by the teacher. E-learning. Students learn how? Learning through research, searching and gathering information on the web and in the communication network. Learning is richer and includes material in different formats. Motivation. Learning. The motivation is low and the subject is distant from them. E-learning. The motivation is high due to the participation and interaction in matters that are closer to them and to new use of technology. Teacher's role. Learning. Teacher is the authority. E-learning. Teacher guides the students to information. Location of learning. Learning. Learning takes place in the classroom and school. E-learning. Learning develops without the need for a fixed location. Lesson structure. Learning. The teacher dictates the structure of the lesson and the division of time. E-learning. The structure of the lessons is affected by group dynamics. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope it's has been to your liking. See you soon.